How to add or remove account in secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, so now here showing you manage account. So click on manage accounts. So after click on manage account, so you will see now here showing you add account and second account. So if you want to add account, so click on add account. After click on add account, you will see now here showing you enter your phone, email and number. After enter your phone, email and number, you will see another account is added. So if you want to remove account, so click on this three dot icon and click on remove. You will see your account is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove accounts in secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.